Welcome to True Seeker, your portal to the timeless wisdom of the Rig Veda. Today we're diving into Mandala 1, hymns 67 to 77, where Agni, the divine fire, blazes as the heart of Vedic sacrifice, guiding us to the One Supreme Self. Join us to uncover spiritual illumination and cosmic harmony. Subscribe, hit the bell, and let's ignite this sacred journey together. Hymn 67, Agni Vishvena, Samnadati Yasham Vishvati Yati, Sanapraya Jati Saumyam. Meaning, O Agni, you resound with universal power, carrying our sacrifice to the divine. You guide us to serene harmony, kindling the sacred flame within our hearts. Hymn 68. Agni Yajati Vishvena Samnadati Vishvati, Sanoyati Saumayam Pra. Meaning, O Agni, you perform the universal sacrifice, radiant with divine energy. You lead us to divine peace, purifying our souls with your eternal light. Hymn 69. Agna Vishvati Yajati Samnadati Vishvena, Sa na Saumyam Prayati. Meaning, O Agni, you unite all in worship, blazing with cosmic power. You bring us divine tranquility, illuminating our path to the Supreme Self. Agni Vishvena Yati Yajati Samnadati, Sano Vishvati Saumyam. Meaning, O Agni, you journey through the cosmos, guiding our sacrifice. You fill our hearts with peace, linking us to the eternal divine presence. Hymn 71. Agni Samnadati Vishvena Yajati Vishvati, Sana Prayati Somyam. Meaning, O Agni, you shine with universal light, sanctifying our offerings. You lead us to divine harmony, awakening the sacred fire within our souls. Hymn 72. Agni Vishvati Samnadati Yajati Vishvena, Sano Saumyam Yati Pra. Meaning, O Agni, you radiate cosmic energy, uplifting our worship. You guide us to divine peace, kindling the eternal flame of truth in our hearts. Hymn 73. Agni Yajati Samnadati Vishvena Vishvati, Sana Prayati Somyam. Meaning, O Agni, you perform the sacred sacrifice, resounding with divine power. You bring us serene unity, illuminating our connection to the Supreme. Hymn 74th, Agni Vishvena Yajati Samnadati Saumyam, Sano Vishvati Prayati. Meaning, O Agni, you unite our offerings with cosmic light. You guide us to divine peace, blazing as the eternal fire within our souls. Hymn 75. Agni Samnadati Yajati Vishvena Vishvati, Sana Somyam Prayati. Meaning, O Agni, you shine through our worship, radiant with universal power. You lead us to divine harmony, kindling wisdom in our hearts. Hymn 76. Agni Vishvati Yajati Samnadati Vishvena, Sano Yati Saumyam Pra. Meaning, O Agni, you sanctify our sacrifice with cosmic energy. You guide us to divine peace, radiating the light of truth within our souls. Hymn 77. Agni Vishvena Samnadati Yajati Saumyam, Sana Prayati Vishvati. Meaning, O Agni, you blaze as the universal fire, uplifting our worship. You lead us to divine harmony, kindling the eternal flame of the Supreme Self. That's our sacred journey through Mandala 1, hymns 67 to 77. Agni's divine fire has illuminated our hearts, guiding us to the One Supreme Self with peace and wisdom. Like, share, and subscribe for more Vedic insights. Drop your thoughts in the comments and join us next time for more hymns. Stay radiant and see you soon.